Hi, first grades. How are you doing? Are you feeling good? I hope so. You're doing great at your homework. Thank you. Today, inshallah, we're gonna complete our lesson 13.3. For solving, for practicing more questions, I want you to be perfect in this lesson. Are you ready? Let's get started. Find the area of combined rectangles. As you see, and we have learned that there are two ways for solving this question. The first one is by using a grade paper. You should draw the figure on a grade paper. After that, you should count square units for every rectangle. Then you will add them together. And the second method, which is by using areas formula. And today, inshallah, we're gonna use a second method, areas formula. And as you see, there are two rectangles. I labeled them by drawing a cutting line segment like that to divide the figure into completely rectangles. The first rectangle, I'm gonna label it for you to label its base and its height. What is its base? Its base equals 10 centimeters and its height equals 5 centimeters. So the first rectangle area equals base times height, 10 by 5 equals Explint 50 what? 50 square centimeter. And the second one, as you see, its base equals great 3 centimeters and its height equals 4. So the second area, base 3 times height 4, Explint 12 what? Square centimeters. So the total area, I'm gonna add all of them together. 50 plus 12. 50 plus 12, great, equals 62. 62 square centimeters. Super. Let's do another one. Example 2. We should follow our method, areas formula. At first, you should draw a line segment like that to divide all figure into two completely rectangles. For the first rectangle, I don't have any problem. I'm gonna state this rectangle for you. Easily you will find its base and its height. Then you will find its area, base times height. 10 by 6 equals 60. 60 what? Square. Square what? Square meters according to my unit. Square meter. The second one, you should know its base and its height. Here, this is the second one. Where is its base? Its base should to be here. Its height, it's clear for me. Its height equals 2 meters. And its base, it's not clear for me. So, I'm gonna use this line segment which equals 20 meters, right? I'm gonna subtract from 20 this blue part. I'm gonna subtract from 20 this blue part, which equals to the opposite line segment, which is 10. So I'm gonna subtract 20 minus 10. Here is gonna be 10. So its base equals 10 and its height equals 2. Now you should to find its area. Area equals base time is height, so 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20 square meters also. So the total area equals what? Great! 80. 80 square meters. You understand that? Okay. Now, you should to understand it's a new idea here. It's a new idea here for this space. I subtracted 20 minus 10 to get its space. Now, let's see question 3. Question 3, I have a figure. First, I'm gonna draw a line segment for dividing this figure into completely rectangles. I have 3 rectangles as you see. The first one, I'm gonna label it for you. This is the first one. This is the second one. The last one, which is down. This is the last one or the third one. Alright, let's solve the first one. Here, its base is clear for me. Its base is 9 and its height is clear also for me. 3. Here its height. Great. So this rectangle is clear for me. Its base and its height. Alright, I shaded it for you. So the first area equals base times height, base 9, multiply 3, equal grade 27. 27 square meters according to my unit. And the second one, also the same thing. 9 times 3. Its base is 9 and its height is 3, so the final answer 27 square meter. Great. For the red one, you should to label its base and its height at first. Its base is easy for me. Yes, here 26 meter. And its height only this. Its height only this equals 9? No. All this line segment from the beginning to the end equals 9. And you should to subtract from 9 the blue part. The blue part, this blue part. And this blue part equals 3 according to the opposite. Equals 3. So I'm gonna subtract 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now I know its height. Its base 26. Multiply its height, which is 6. Then you will find the answer. Do it step by step. 26 by 6. 6 by 6, 36. 6 and we carry up 3. And 6 by 2, 12 plus 3 equals 15. So the final answer 156. 156 square minutes. After that, what is the total area? Total area equals 27 plus 27 plus 156. 14 plus 6 equals 20. 0 and we carry up 1. 3, 5, 5, 10 and we carry up 1. 200 square meters. So the final answer is 200 square meters all the area. Here we go. Question 4. What should you do at first? Great. A cutting line segment. Excellent. Now, for the first one, The first rectangle, could you label its space and its height? Yes. Its space is clear for you, equals 13 feet, and its height is clear also for you, equals 5 feet. So the first area, or the first rectangle, 13 by 5, 13 by 5 equals what? 3 by 5, 15, 5, and we carry up 1. 5 by 1 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6, so 65 square feet. The second area for the second rectangle, as you see, its space is clear for you and its height is clear for you, equals 7 feet. So base times height, 4 times 7 equals grade 28 square feet. Finally, what is the total area? Total area equals what? Yes, I'm gonna add them together. 5 plus 8 equals 13, 3, and we carry up 1. 7 plus 2, 9. So 93 square what? Feet. Square feet. Great job. Now, question 5. As you see, what should you do at first? Excellent. If you said you should draw a line segment, a cutting line segment. The first rectangle, I'm gonna start with the first rectangle, the big one. The big one, as you see. What is its base and its height? Its base is clear for me, 24 millimeters, and its height is clear also for me. From this point to this point equals 16 millimeters. So the first area, base 24 multiply height 16, and the final answer, you should find the final answer. When you do it step by step, you will find the final answer, 384. 384 square millimeters according to my unit. Great. The second area for the second rectangle, I'm gonna label it for you, this small one. Its height is clear for me. Here its height. This part equals 9. This is its height. And for its base, I don't know. I need to find the length of each base. So look at, you need that line segment. So you will move up according to my moving. You will find it 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters, all this length from the beginning to the end, 24. And you don't need all 24 here down. You will subtract this part. You will subtract what? This part. This part equal what? This part equal what? Grade 9. 9. So I need to subtract 24 minus 9 to find its base. 24 minus 9 equals what? Excellent. 16 millimeters. So its base equals 16, multiply its height, which is 9. Now 16 multiply 9, you will find the answer. 6 multiply 9 equals 54. 4, and we carry up 5. 9 by 1 equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. So final answer is 144 square millimeters. Square millimeters. So the total answer, what is the total answer now? Exactly, we'll add them together. Excellent. Total answer, total area 384 plus 144. The final answer is here 8, here 12, and you carry up 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 528 square millimeter. Is it difficult? I think so, but you are super. Great. Number 6, the last question with us. First, you should to draw Explint, a cutting line segment, to divide the figure into completely rectangles. I can see 1, 2, 3 rectangles. There are 3 rectangles. I'm gonna start with the small one. I'm gonna start with this small rectangle because I can see its base, which equals 4, and its height, which equals 7. Great. So the first one, its base equals 4 times height, which is 7, so equals 28 square inches. Great. The second one. The second one, as you see, so the second one equals 4 times 7, also 28, equals also 28 square inches. But for the third one, which I want to label it for you to clear, but for the third one, which I label it with red, I can see its height, which equals 18 inches, and its base from this point to this point only. Now, it's not 14. It's not 14 because 14 is the length of the whole side from the beginning to the end. 14. 14 I'm gonna subtract. 14 minus what? Minus this part. Minus the blue part. The blue part here. Which equals what? Equals exactly 4 according to the opposite. So 14 minus 4 equals what? 10. Great. The third area equals base times height, which is 10 times height 18. 10 times 18, 180 square inches. So the total answer, what is the total answer, guys? Great, I will add all of them together. 180 plus 28 plus 28. So the final answer is what? Try. 228. Exactly 228 square what? Square inches according to my unit. Now you solved more questions and not easy. They are not easy questions, they are difficult questions, but you are super guys. So I hope all of you understood this lesson perfectly. See you next time. Bye.